Glorious and be
And what made it even more special was having all of you here, our new pals.
Thank you so much for inviting us, Mickey. We all had a great time, didn't we? And remember, you can visit all your Disney Junior friends every day on Disney Channel. Say bye, Donald.
See you
Bye.
We will see you